All of you, warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the factorization of polynomial, factorization of algebraic expression of for class 9th. In this video we will discuss about the factorization by taking out common, factorization by grouping them, factorization by making them perfect square. Okay, factorization can be done by splitting the middle terms. Okay, we will see we had studied in class 9 some algebraic identities, that is a plus b का whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b का whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. These identities can be used to solve factorization. We will see the middle splitting term also. In that we will do, मतलब कि उसको हम लोग क्वेश्चंस बना के करेंगे, ठीक है. Here we will see factorization of algebraic expression, factorization of polynomial. We will use some identities also, that is aq plus bq is equal to what, a plus b का whole cube is equal to what, a q minus bq is equal to what, a plus minus b का whole cube is equal to what. We will see later on. Okay, now we will solve some problems on the factorization. Question number 1, factorize first one is 2p into a minus b minus 4s 5a minus 5b plus 2r into 2b minus 2a. See, this question is based on taking out the common. So first of all we will see, here it is a common, that is 5, here it is a common, that is 2, or minus and will be taken out. Here we will write 2p a minus b minus 4s into 5 is common, so this can be written as a minus b plus 2r into minus 2 is common, so it becomes a minus b. By if we take minus common, the position of their values interchange, or the sign is also interchange. See, we can write here in all terms there is a minus b is common, so we have taken out. 2p is left over here. Here minus 5 for the 20 s is common. Here minus plus minus minus 2 to the 4 r. This is your required answer. Question number 2, we will see question number 2, that is question number 2, aq x plus a square x minus y minus a y plus z minus z. This question is based on the grouping of the term. See how it can be solved. aqx plus a square x, see a स्क्वायर बाहर है, x माइनस वाई से है ना, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाएगा. x से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो a स्क्वायर एक्स, y से हो जाएगा तो a स्क्वायर वाई माइनस ए वाई माइनस एंड प्लस माइनस, that is az minus z. So you can group according to their variable, that is, see, in this term x is here, in this term x is here, so you can make a group of x, है ना, y और y है तो एक ग्रुप बना देंगे, z और z है तो एक ग्रुप बना देंगे. तो ये by making it like a group you can solve, take out the common, that is a square x is common over here, so it becomes a plus 1 minus ay is common, so it becomes a plus 1. Here also minus z is common, so it becomes a plus 1. Now you can take the common, a plus 1 is common, so it becomes a square x minus ay minus z, and this is your required answer. So by grouping them you can solve. This is very important concept. And another question is here, question number 3 is here, factorize. First one is question number 3, that is 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square minus 8a minus 12b. See, this is a question. Now we can write, see, this can be written as 2a ka whole square plus this can be written as 3b ka whole square, okay, and this portion can be written as 2 into 2a into 3b. So on multiplying it becomes 12ab. Here minus 8a and minus 12b is left. So you can write this. This is in the form of algebraic identities, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This can be written as 2a plus 3b ka whole square, okay, minus, here 4 is common, so this can be written as 2a plus 3b. In this term 2a plus 3b, in this term 2a plus 3b is common, so you can write 2a plus 3b by taking out common. Here 2a plus 3b is left and minus 4 is here, so it becomes 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b minus 4. This is your answer. Now we can see the formula of a plus b ka whole cube. This can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. First. Second, a minus b ka whole cube can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, okay. Third one, that is a cube plus b cube, can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the fourth one is a cube minus b cube, that can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. ये सब फॉर्मूला पे भी बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस है, एक्सरसाइज है, आर.एस. अग्रवाल में भी है, हर इंडिविजुअली फार्मूला पे इंडिविजुअली एक्सरसाइजेज है. आप आर.एस. अग्रवाल बुक उठाइए, बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आपको मिलेगा, उसको बनाइए. अभी हम लोग चलते हैं मिडिल स्प्लिटिंग टर्म्स के क्वेश्चन पे, ठीक है. दी फॉलोइंग, okay. First one is (25a square minus 35a plus 12). This is the first question. Second one is एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3√3x प्लस 6. ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज x to the power 8 minus y to power 8. Fourth one is a square minus b square minus a minus b. Okay, these four questions are of two types. First type is on middle splitting term and second one is डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर टर्म्स, है ना. तो इसको देखेंगे. देखो मिडिल स्प्लिटिंग टर्म्स का क्वेश्चन बनता है कैसे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट टर्म विथ द थर्ड टर्म. ओके, ऑन मल्टीप्लाइंग दैट वी गॉट 15 into 12, that becomes it becomes 300, है ना. तो इसको करेंगे 2 से 150, 2 से 75, 2 से नहीं होगा, 5 से 5 1 जा 5 15 times, 5 से 3 times. Okay, now this can after doing prime factorization of this 300 you can arrange them. मतलब कि इस तरह अरेंज करना है कि जोड़ने के बाद बीच वाला टर्म आए, मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद वो जो होल टर्म जो हम मल्टीप्लाई किए थे फर्स्ट और थर्ड को उसके बराबर आए. ठीक है, तो we will see that and 300 can be written as 150, 2 that is 75, 3 that is 25, 5 and 5. So you can arrange 25, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. No, you can take 5 3 जा 20a minus 15a. ओके, यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस. मतलब इस तरह अरेंज करना है. अब इसको देखो, बीच वाले टर्म को इस तरह हमको ब्रेक करना है कि जोड़ने के बाद मिडल टर्म आए. देखो -20a -15a जोड़ने पे क्या आ रहा है, -35 है, 35 है. ठीक है ना, +2 है. दिस यू कैन टेक आउट मेकिंग द पेयर. You can take the common by making the pair. Say here you can take 5a as common, so it becomes 5a minus 4. Here you can take -3 as common, so it becomes 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3. So this is your required factorization by using middle splitting term. Here also we have 6 into 1, है ना. तो 6 को करेंगे तो 2 3 आएगा, है ना. मतलब कि दो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने पे 2 और 3 आता है. तो इसको अरेंज करना. तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज x² प्लस 2√3x प्लस √3x प्लस 6. देखो इसको जोड़ने पे 3√3 आ रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 6 आ रहा है. सो this can be written as x is common, x plus 2√3. Here √3 is common, x plus 2√3. So x plus 2√3 is common, x plus √3 is left. This is your required answer. Here we will use the identities, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. ठीक है, तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज x⁴ का होल स्क्वायर माइनस y to the power 4 का whole square. So this can be splitted like this, x to power 4 plus y to power 4 into x to power 4 minus y to power 4. तो यहाँ पे कहानी समाप्त नहीं होती है, आगे भी इसको बढ़ाएंगे, x to power 4 plus y to power 4. अगेन दिस कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स टू पावर 4 प्लस वाई टू पावर 4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. इसके बाद भी हम लोग फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, एक्स टू पावर 4 प्लस वाई टू पावर 4 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. इसको फिर उस फॉर्मूला पे लिख सकते हैं, एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई. सो इट बिकम्स योर आंसर. Here what we can do, a square minus b square minus can be taken out common, that becomes a plus b. So you can write this is the identities like this. So you can use a plus b into a minus b minus a plus b. Now you can take out the common a plus b from the whole terms. It becomes a minus b minus 1. This is your required answer. Now you can solve many problems on this concept. You can I have completed the factorization of algebraic expression. In the next video we will discuss about the factorization of polynomials. So I hope you like the videos. Please comment the feedbacks and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.